Hey guys, just want to share with you that in Sim 4 there's a free stuff pack right now. So when I log into my EA launcher, and right there when I click on my Sim 4, and it show me say hurry, redeem a free stuff pack. Co-op and let loose the Sim 4 backyard stuff pack, free for a limited time. I want outdoor with potted plant, playful light, and colorful patio furniture. Click on the icon that say redeem to get a pack. Once I got the pack, then I got this message that say you own this add-on. This pack was released in 2016, but once in a while EA will give out a free pack. So in this pack it say that for the Sim 4 backyard stuff, add fun lawn water slides and colorful new object to spice up the space. Slip into something a little more comfortable, and remember to keep plenty of lemonade on hand. When you scroll down, you're gonna see that say include in this pack free sim model item, total of 25 items. You also get 40 build mod items. So if you don't have this pack, then go ahead and get it before that it no longer valuable. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.